Okay, so this particular um, file is a truncated version of that Aspen Hill uphill survey response survey. Um, so you can see that I got rid of a lot of the data that wasn't numerical or at least easy to look at, right? So we've got some true false stuff here, but the rest of it's pretty set that way. Um, just just trying to narrow it down a little bit for you to help you make some easier decisions. This first one, or this particular assignment that this one's related to, I'm asking you to do some pretty specific things, and there's actually one element in this that I'm adding for you to help you do. So again, it's quite a bit skinnier horizontally, right? Only goes out to AI. So what do we got? 26 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, only 35, 34 actually columns, but I've still got all 718 or 716 rows. Technically, I suppose that's 714. Either way, right? Lots of respondents. And so the difference in this one and what I'm asking you to do that's a little different. So the example, or what I'm asking you to do in the pivot table in the assignment, so as you go to insert a pivot table, right, new worksheet, all that's great. It's just gonna, it's actually grabbing the wrong data here. No, it's not. We're good. Okay, so as we build this, we're going to start off with a filter. All right, so I'm going to come over here and find, let's see, where is it? There's alcohol. And actually, I'm going to drag that up into here. And so right now, I'm going to say whether or not this is true or false. So, right, so I'm going to grab in one of the assignments, or one of the specific assignments within the overall assignment, is for non-alcohol drinkers or alcohol drinkers, right? And so I'm going to do that. So now it's only going to grab those people who answered false to the alcohol question. And now, right, I can do what I normally did with columns and rows, right? So maybe I'm looking at those who don't drink alcohol and compare, gender and whether or not people are vegetarian, right, for example, right? So I can do things like that with this. Right, so you're going to have specific assignments, specific things you got to grab. I just want to make sure you can go through and do some things this way with specific looks. Not that any of them are any more important than anything else you might draw out of here. Whether non-alcohol drinkers are male and vegetarian, right? Does that really help you? Maybe it does. Maybe it helps you know where to place an advertisement or something like that. So anyway, so for this week, you've got these two videos that you've watched now, probably if you're listening to this one. And then you've got an opportunity to complete those two assignments. That'll take you a little bit more time. So remember, in that first assignment where you're going to do the pivot table within Excel, and then in Word, you're going to write up your response to my question. And so you'll need to submit both of those in the same submission. So make sure you get that done at the same time before you hit submit on the assignment.